Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna be making a series called a living world AI system where the AI like they have a daily routine. Like the AI goes to a house for like 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, just laying in bed, then get up, then go some work and go to get some cafe, which is what I'm gonna do. So anyways, if let's start the series by creating a character. As you can see, I already built a map and a script right here. I'll just close it. A map right here. Build a map first. Right now, what I have is the house. I have the workplace. You can go and enter it right here. Boom. All of this I got from free models, by the way. If you don't see it, because I'm not a builder or anything. But anyways, this is the cafe. So I got this map. I also got made this simple building with some trees and stuff. Make it um more lively, more alive. So anyways, after all that, make sure you add this waypoint. All right, just put it in the workspace. We're gonna organize it maybe in the next episode, but just put it. And then when you put it, make sure you name it. Like for example, this is a house. We put it in front of the house model. And also important thing, make sure you right click the model and show orientation indicator. This will show if it's going in front, the character. If the character is going in front. If it goes like in the back like this, that means the character will like look at the house and stuff. Alright. Just make sure you place this individually. And this one is for the house. And I got one for the workplace as well right here, as you can see. Make sure you name it work. House is there. And the cafe is also in front right here. Make sure you do that. And yeah, boom. So we're gonna be spawning in the middle. Just make sure you can spawn as well. So yes, this is what I have now. Now after all that, make sure you get your characters. If you how you can get it is by going to the folders. As you can see, I have this. Make sure you name the folder called living NPCs, and just make it simple. Make an R6 characters. Right now I have the noob. Look at that, the noob right here moving. The noob, and then if you already make this, name it, and then make sure it have the humanoid root part. Make sure it's humanoid root part and get the humanoid as well. After that, then we can just go back and just put in our replicated storage. All right, because that's where we're gonna clone it and position it into our eh, um position the C frame to be like in the parts that we place right here. All right. Anyways, after all that done, make sure you place down a script. You don't need to name it, but I like to name it to keep it organized. I called it routine server, and as you can see here, there's some interesting things. As you remember, this is a series, so there will still be more. As you can see, we're gonna get the variable first. We're gonna get the noob, which we have, and we're gonna clone it. We're gonna parent it, so we're gonna parent it to the workspace so that obviously it's gonna be existed. And we're gonna be positioning the C frame, the NPC, to the house C frame, which is the part where we, as I said, place it. And then we just position it a bit to get some height advantage. And now this is the important part. You can schedule the format like this, like got a routine, and can use the time. Right now at 6 o'clock, I'm in this location called workspace.house. At 9, you instantly go to work. So 3 hours basically. Another 3 hours, you're going to the cafe. So yes, basically like a normal day job. Now we're gonna get the world clock, which is in game hour. The current hour right now is 6, so that means that it's gonna be in the house. That is gonna start. The character starts being in the house. Now, as you can see, we made a function where you can move the location and we get the parameters from get the NPC and the location as well. So we got the NPC. We need to get the humanoid root part, and we just get the C frame. We get the location as well. Position the C frame so that they can move around for this routine. And yeah, after that, we're gonna get the main loop, the core loop right here. We're gonna get the we're gonna task dot spawn this, and while true, do make sure you put this 3 seconds. As you can see here from my calculations, 3 seconds is equals to 1 hour in game. So this is 6 o'clock. If you do 3 hours, then that means it's gonna be like uh okay, 9 seconds right here. So 9 seconds until the next activation, which the NPC will go to work. And let me continue. We get the entry. Get the we're gonna get the time, the value of the time, and yeah, just get the time and then get the current hour. Then we're gonna move that to the location, which we already do right here. Get the workspace NPC and the location of the entry. And after that, current hour is plus equals to 1. Now, if it goes like over 24 hours, then it will go back to 1 a.m., I guess. To 1 a.m., and then we'll just restart back to 3 seconds again. I think that's a good explanation for this code, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a rested. So we're gonna play. As you can see, it's gonna start out in the house right here, and then it should spawn into the workplace. Where is it? There you go. Workplace, as you can see, at like 3 o'clock. There we go. Faces in front, and then goes to the cafe after a little bit, like 9 seconds. Boom, to the cafe, and it will take 6 seconds to go back to the work. And boom, it is. And just gonna go back to work, and that's gonna go back to the house after 9 seconds. And boom, there you go. Took long enough. After the house, then we're just gonna keep going, repeating the loop. After the house, we're just gonna wait a little bit. This is gonna be long though. Just gonna take a bit. Hola, noob. Hola. Hola. You can make this transparent, by the way. I like to keep it visible for you guys to see the part clearly. But anyways, you can see it's there. And that's gonna go to the workplace. Because, you're just sleeping around, sleeping. Oh, there we go. It spawned back. That means he wake up. Oh my god. And then boom, he's going back to work, and then it's just gonna keep repeating this loop all over again. To work, and then go to the cafe for a bit. There we go, to the cafe. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this first episode. If you want to make this a series, then comment down below, and I'll hope you guys enjoyed. And please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Or if you want to. See ya.